Any second now, Raleigh.
Fairview in Union County and Stallings. For your
Tone
protection,
it.
move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damage winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, and Union. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stanley County and Central North Carolina until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Pleasant to Midland, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albemarle, Baden Lake, Plyler, Fairview in Union County, Locust, Baden, Oakboro, Stenfield, Richfield, and New London. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Stanley, North Carolina,